Vietnam's mechanical industry is gaining national attention, with leading enterprises featured on VTV1, the country's leading national television channel. Among them are two representative companies, DTTech, a precision mechanical processing enterprise, and GHT Elevator, a local elevator manufacturer in Vietnam. DTTech previously relied on a 3-kilowatt laser cutting machine, but faced limitations in speed and stability, struggling to keep up with rapidly growing production demand. By introducing HSG Laser solutions, including the G4020X 12-kilowatt high-power fiber laser cutting machine, the C30153 3-kilowatt system, and the HC2503 press brake, the company significantly improved processing efficiency and production capacity for GHT Elevator. As order volumes increased and cost pressure intensified, they made the strategic decision to adopt HSG's G6025 H12-kilowatt laser cutting system. With stable performance and competitive investment costs, HSG equipment enabled more efficient production while optimizing overall manufacturing costs. From efficiency improvement to cost optimization, these enterprises are rapidly advancing towards smarter, more efficient manufacturing.